Don't lose that toothbrush. That's the best thing you got. What do you mean the mitt? That wasn't the best thing.
Second best one.
Toothbrush. Oh.
More chocolate. Gotta keep that.
said I could eat that.
Gotta keep that fire stoked.
Tracy.
Tracy's at fault.
Second best.
What is this?
Huh?
What is this? It's a remote flip phone.
It's your own phone.
You got your own? Oh, come on.
This is
Really?
mine.
Huh?
At least you can text your friends.
Oh my gosh, literally. Do 9-year-olds have their own phones? They really do? When you're 9, you have your own phone? Man. That's awesome. Let's see. Take a
I had one
picture.
just like Mama's old one.
Take a
I
picture.
had one
of it.
just like that.
Yeah. Dave did too. It is nice. Let's
Read the card. See what it says.
Really, this is your very own iPhone.
It's a pretend iPhone, really, actually.
No. I
It's-
love you, Dad.
But your friends won't know. They won't know. Because you won't be taking it to school or anything.
That's cool. You're on your own. Dad did very well.
Net 10, and you can get the minutes refilled up at the Dollar General.
Yeah, the prepaid minutes phone.
Dad, it has a card, Lily, and you get minutes put on it. You know, they can prepay. Cool.
Did you think you got a flip
I was
phone?
about to go, this is not fair. I was about to say, Daddy, you should have never got me this. But no, oh my God.
Well, good thing you held off.
Why?
Ah!
Wow.
Yeah, that was a prank.
We were playing a big joke on you because I had that box in the
Oh no.
Look at that.
Jamie's gonna be so jealous.
And that's what Christmas is all about.
So did we trick you?
I
What'd you
really
think?
thought it was a flip phone.
A flip phone.
I was like, oh, this is great.
Mom had this box, and your dad said, do you have a box, a whole box for it? And I said, Jesus, you are.
It's beautiful.
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome, sweetie. Now, with the phone comes great responsibility.
There are caveats.
We'll talk about the details later.
Yeah. It's
When
not
can I get
just-
a case?
It's not a free